Hi guys, Anthony here from the Faculty of Apps with another quick tip for your Apple devices. Before I demonstrate how to find a missing AirPod, here's what you need to know. Like with any Apple device, you can use the Find My app to try and locate an individual missing AirPod. You can access the Find My app on your Mac, iPhone, iPad, or by browsing to icloud.com/find. If you own an Apple Watch, you can also use the Find Devices app. And don't forget that you must be signed into your Apple account to view your devices in the Find My app. Unlike your AirPods case, which utilizes Apple's U1 or U2 Ultra Wideband chip to provide accurate directions, your individual AirPods only have standard Bluetooth. As a result, the Find My app can only tell you when you're nearby your missing AirPod. It can't direct you using arrows or calculate your distance from your AirPods. If you have absolutely no idea where you lost your AirPod, I recommend checking you have the Find My Network option enabled in your AirPod settings. This will ensure you'll continue to receive location updates should anyone with an iPhone come within contact of your missing AirPod. And of course it goes without saying, but you only have as long as the battery lasts in your missing AirPod to find it. Once it's out of battery, you will only be able to see its last known location on the map in the Find My app. Okay, with that out of the way, let's try and find your missing AirPod. Start by opening the Find My app on iPhone. Tap on Devices in the menu and tap on the tab to display the complete list. Find My should recognize your AirPods are not in the case and display them separately. If only one of your AirPods is lost, pop the other one back in the case. Now you should only see your missing AirPod listed separately. Tap on the missing AirPod and here you have a few options. Bluetooth typically has a range of anywhere between 5 to 40 meters or 15 to 130 feet. However, this is significantly affected by walls, buildings, and signal interference. So hope for the best but assume the worst. Outside of Bluetooth range, you are going to be reliant on the map to get you close enough to your AirPod to use the other Find My features. Once you're in the vicinity of your AirPod tap find, Apple will now use the Bluetooth chip in the stem of your AirPod to give you some indication of how far or how close you are to it. At the same time, tap the sound button and your AirPod will start to make a pulsing noise. Apple recommends not to do this if you have the other AirPod in your ear. Hopefully, between the map, location guidance, and the sound from the AirPod, you'll be able to locate your missing AirPod. If you can't, expand the card up and you have the option to enable lost mode. Tap on Show Contact Info. As the information shows, you'll receive notifications if your AirPod comes within range of another Apple device on the Find My network. If someone finds your AirPod, you can choose whether they see your phone number or an email address. If you choose email, type the address and press Activate. If someone finds your AirPod or comes within Bluetooth range of it, both you and they will be notified. You'll then see an updated location of your AirPod in the Find My app. And hopefully the person will contact you. If all else fails, you can purchase individual replacement AirPods through the Apple website. So that is how to find a missing AirPod. If you found the video useful, please consider tapping the Super Thanks button below or clicking the link in the description to buy me a coffee. Genuinely, there is nothing more rewarding than receiving your support, so thank you. It really is appreciated. And you should definitely check out this video showing you how to connect 2 pairs of headphones to your iPhone, or how about this video showing you how to maximize the battery life of your iPhone or iPad. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.